Okay, so I'm like on this like Cortana kick now, and I want to ask her some questions I've never thought about asking. So this is gonna become fun. Okay, hold on. Are you a girl?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Are you a girl?
No, but I'm awesome like a girl.
Do you like boys?
That's not an opinion I've made time to form yet.
Do you like Pink Floyd?
That's not an opinion I've made time to form yet.
Let's see if she has an opinion about cats. Do you like cats?
Yeah, man, cats are cool.
Cortana is a cool cat. Let's see. Are you self-aware?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Okay. Do you have self-awareness?
Give me an A. Give me an I. What's that spell? AI.
Oh, I gotta stay away from my phone today. I can play like with this all day long. This is so